Kubernetes architecture. Let's explore the architecture of Kubernetes. We'll start with the components that make up Kubernetes clusters. Then look at how the master and worker nodes communicate with each other. Finally, we will look at how the Kubernetes API is used to interact with the cluster. Let's start. Don't you feel that Kubernetes is a bit of a black box? You can use it to deploy and manage your applications. But how does it work? What are the components that make up a Kubernetes cluster? How do they communicate with each other? How does the Kubernetes API work? In these lessons, we'll answer these questions by exploring the architecture of Kubernetes. We'll start with the components that make up Kubernetes cluster, then look up on how the master and worker nodes communicate with each other. Finally, we'll look at how Kubernetes API is used to interact with the cluster. You may wonder, what are the prerequisites? Nothing at all. I will explain everything from scratch for those who are new to Kubernetes. The components of the Kubernetes cluster. Here are the key components of the Kubernetes architecture. Master node, worker node, controller, manager, API, server, scheduler, etcd, kubelet, kube, proxy, container, runtime interface, pod, container. Oof. Plenty of concepts, right? Bird's eye view of the Kubernetes cluster components. On one side, we have control plane components, which are responsible for managing the cluster. On the other side, we have worker node components, which are responsible for running the applications. A Kubernetes cluster consists of one or more master nodes and one or more worker nodes. Let's take a look at the control plane components first.
Hey kid,
Please don't tell me what I am losing here.
of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out